Hello viewers, welcome to our channel Saipedia, first step to success. This video deals with communicative English, task answers for Unit 3. Subscribe our channel to support our videos. நிறைய பேர் நம்மளுடைய சேனலை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணாமே பார்த்துட்டு இருக்கிறீங்க. ப்ளீஸ் உங்களுடைய சப்போர்ட் எனக்கு இன்னும் நிறைய வீடியோஸ் அப்லோட் பண்ணுறதுக்கு ஒரு என்கரேஜ்மெண்ட்டாக இருக்கும். Task 1. Filling the blanks given in the sentence below, choosing a suitable imperative from the selection given below. கீழே உங்களுக்கு டைரக்ஷன்ஸ்க்கான ஃப்ரேஸ் வேர்ட்ஸ் கொடுத்துருக்குறாங்க. நம்மளுடைய கொஸ்டினுக்கு சூட் ஆகிற மாதிரியான டைரக்ஷன் வேர்ட்ஸ் இங்கே பார்க்கலாம். Question 1. Can you tell me how to reach the nearest hospital? Answer. Go straight on the street corner and on your left is the hospital. Second one. I need to buy a pen. Where is the stationery in this area? Answer. There is a stationery if you walk along Gandhi Road next to the fruit shop. Third one. Is there a temple nearby? Answer. No, but there is one when you go up the hill 15 kilometers from here. Question number 4. Does this train go to Yercaud? Answer. No, all trains stop at Salem. Fifth one. Have you travelled by train from Mumbai to Pune? Answer. Yes, all trains go through the tunnel on that route. Sixth one. Is there a library in this block? Answer. Yes. If you go down to the first floor, it's on your right. Seventh one. My friend has hurt herself. Is there is a nurse room in this school? Answer. Walk up to the reception. The attender will take you. Eighth one. Aruna's parents want to meet the warden. Can you tell me where to find her? Answer. Walk along the corridor till you reach the hostel mess. She is there. Ninth one. Excuse me, can you tell me the way to the nearest bank? Answer. Go across the street. The bank is between the photo studio and the opticals. Tenth one. How far is the train station from here? Answer. Go to the cake shop. It's 2 blocks from there. Next task. Filling the blanks, choosing an appropriate word from the list given. இங்கேயும் உங்களுக்கு சாய்ஸ் கொடுத்துருக்குறாங்க. நம்மளுடைய சென்டென்ஸ்க்கு மேட்ச் ஆகிற மாதிரியான சாய்ஸஸை நம்ம செலக்ட் பண்ண போகிறோம். ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஒன். இஃப் யூ கோ அப் டு தி 5th floor, you will find his office on your right as you come out the elevator. Second one. Go to the end of the road and turn left by the traffic lights. Third one. Take a right just after the supermarket. Fourth one. You can't miss his house. It's painted bright pink. Fifth one. Go straight up to the end of the road. Next task. Using the words and phrases given in the column below, form the meaningful sentence. புக்ல உங்களுக்கு டேபிள் காலம்ஸ் கொடுத்துருக்குறாங்க. கரெக்டான சென்டென்ஸ் ஃபார்மை நம்மளே கிரியேட் பண்ணிக்கலாம். இங்க உங்களுக்கு 10 சென்டென்ஸ் கொடுத்துருக்குறேன். ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஒன். The boys are dancing to the music. Second one. They are coming from the forest. Third one. The players are running round the stadium. Fourth one. The girls are going past the bus stop. Fifth one. The bird is flying across the sky. Sixth one. The boat is passing under the bridge. Seventh one. He is walking along the street. Eighth one. They are riding through the space. Ninth one. The dog is jumping over the fence. Tenth one. Lava is coming out of the volcano. Next. Connecting sentence. Task. இப்போ நம்ம பார்க்க போறது connecting sentence. Task. Using the examples given below, frame the sentence with list provide to form sentence using the connective words. Filling the blanks using the word list given below. இங்க நம்மளுக்கு சென்டென்ஸ் கொடுத்துருக்குறாங்க. ரெண்டு சென்டென்ஸை கனெக்ட் பண்ற கனெக்டிவ் வேர்ட்ஸ் சூட்டபிளான வேர்ட்ஸை நம்ம ஃபில் பண்ண போறோம். ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஒன். ப்ளீஸ் call your grandmother on her birthday, otherwise she will get upset. Second one. Her son looks a lot like his father, whereas her daughter looks like her. Third one, we enjoyed ourselves in spite of the poor weather. Fourth one, I am no athlete. Nonetheless, I am terrible at sports. Furthermore, tattoos and tracing seems trendy nowadays. They have actually been around since ancient times and are practiced in many cultures. Sixth one, I will phone you if I receive any more information and you can do likewise. Reading future articles. இப்போ நம்ம பார்க்க போகிறது question and answer type. நம்மளுடைய டெக்ஸ்ட் புக்கில் பேசேஜ் கொடுத்துருக்குறாங்க. அந்த பேசேஜில் இருந்து தான் இங்கே இருக்கிற கொஸ்டின்ஸ்க்கு நம்ம ஆன்சர் கொடுக்க போகிறோம். கொஸ்டின் நம்பர் 1, how is the Veeranarayana Juma Masjid Trust different from other religious trusts? Answer, the Veeranarayana Juma Masjid Trust is a unique organization. The trust celebrates both the Hindu and Muslim festivals. Members of the trust management belong to the both of the communities, with Hindus and Muslims taking turns to manage it each year. This is a rare thing to find in the whole world. In this way, Veeranarayana Juma Masjid Trust is different from the other religious trusts. Question number 2. What's the writer's perspective on religious harmony? Answer, the writer who admires the religious harmony that prevails in Gadak calls the people of Gadagare an epitome of religious harmony and says that the Veeranarayana Juma Masjid Trust of Gadak is a shining example of communal harmony. Next task, grammar in context. Unit 3 உடைய 4th topic. இதில் இருக்கிற டாஸ்கோட ஆன்சர்ஸ் பார்க்கலாம். Task 1, use the appropriate gerund or infinitive. Question number 1, there are likely to show up at any time. Question number 2, the man denied to commit the crime. Question number 3, their memories of traveling in London will stay with them forever. Fourth one, John has always been afraid of flying. Fifth one, swimming is good for your health. Sixth one, would you mind passing me the sugar? Seventh one, she promised to read the report as soon as possible. Eighth one, I had a hard time explaining the situation to my husband. Ninth one, she had some problems to read without glasses. 10th one, my friend was happy to see me at the party. Task number 2, complete the sentence with the correct form of gerunds and infinitives. So இந்த டாஸ்க்கும் gerunds and infinitives தான் நம்ம செலக்ட் பண்ண போறோம். Number 1, he decided to study engineering. Second, I dislike waiting. Third, I promise to help you tomorrow. Fourth one, we discussed going to the cinema, but in the end we stayed at home. Fifth one, I agreed to bring the pudding. Sixth one, I don't recommend taking the bus. It takes forever. Seventh one, we hope to visit Agra next month. Eighth, she suggested going to the museum. Ninth one, they plan to start college in the December. 10th one, I don't want to leave yet. Task number 3, combine the following pairs of sentence by using participles. ரெண்டு different sentence connect பண்ண போறோம். Question number 1, we meet a girl. She was carrying a heavy bag. Answer, we meet a girl carrying a heavy bag. Second one, the park was decorated with lights. It looked beautiful. Answer, decorated with lights, the park looked beautiful. Third one, the thieves saw the coops. They ran away. Answer, seeing the coops, the thieves ran away. Fourth one, I found the door open. I went inside. Answer, finding the door open, I went inside. Fifth one, the police saw the body It was floating down the river. Answer. The police saw the body floating down the river. Sixth one, he cried at the top of his voice. He rushed at the thief. Answer. Crying at the top of his voice, he rushed at the thief. Seventh one, we had worked for several hours. We came out of the office. Answer. Having worked for several hours, we came out of the office. Eighth one, the troops gave a blow to the enemy. It was stunning. Answer. The troops gave a stunning blow to the enemy. Ninth one, his handwriting was illegible. I couldn't figure out what he had written. Answer. His handwriting being illegible, I couldn't figure out what he had written. 10th one, we make some friendships in childhood. They last forever. Answer. Friendships made in childhood last forever. 11th one, the sun had risen. We set out on our journey. Answer. The sun having risen, we set out on our journey. 12th one, I walked along the road. I saw a snake. Answer. Walking along the road, I saw a snake. 13th one, he lost all his money in gambling. He became a pauper. Answer. Having lost all his money in gambling, he became a pauper. 14th one, I took a clue from his words. I solved the riddle. Answer. Taking a clue from his words, I solved the riddle. 15th one, the burglars broke the door open. They entered the house. Answer. Breaking the door open, the burglars entered the house. Models. Models oda exercise ipa paakalam. Fill in the correct model word. First one, Jack can run really fast. Second one, I must go for the wedding reception, but I'm not sure. Third one, I think you should go out and meet new people. Fourth one, you don't have to come with us if you don't want to. Fifth one, this is a secret between you and me, so we must not tell anyone. Sixth one, it's dangerous to go into deep water if you cannot swim. Seventh one, I feel miserable, so I have to stay at home. I might go out later with my parents, but I don't really know. Ninth one, all passengers can remain in their seats and must not use their mobile phones. 10th one, to get a driving license, you have to be over 18. Next task, choose the most appropriate answer for expressing the ideas specified in parenthesis. ஒவ்வொரு கொஸ்டினோட எண்ட்லையும் parenthesisல அந்த கொஸ்டினோட எக்ஸ்பிரஷன் எப்படி இருக்கணும் அப்படிங்கறத சொல்லியிருக்காங்க. First one, formal polite request-ஆ இருக்கணும். Answer, can I speak to Mr. Shyam, please? Second one, polite request-ஆ இருக்கணும்னு சொல்லியிருக்காங்க. Could you open the window, please? It's hot in here. Third one, polite request expression-ஆ இருக்கணும். Answer, would you mind if I borrowed your dictionary for an hour or so? Fourth one, asking for permission. Would you mind if I didn't come to your party? Fifth one, permission not given. Answer, could I use your cell phone, please? Sorry, you can't. Next task, make the following sentence more polite. இங்க சில சென்டென்ஸ் கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. இந்த சென்டென்ஸை நம்ம more politeful சென்டென்ஸா மாத்தணும். First one, fill in this form. Answer, can you fill in this form? Second one, bring us some water. Answer, please bring us some water. Third one, send them an email. Answer, would you send them an email? Fourth one, shut the window. Answer, would you mind shutting the window? Fifth one, switch off your cell phone. Answer, could you switch off your cell phones? இதோட யூனிட் 3ல இருக்கிற எல்லா டாஸ்க்குமே முடிஞ்சிருச்சு. உங்களுக்கு யூனிட் 3ல வேற ஏதாவது டவுட்ஸ் இருந்துச்சுன்னா கமெண்ட் பண்ணுங்க. கண்டிப்பா அதுக்கு நான் ரிப்ளை கொடுக்குறேன். கம்யூனிகேட்டிவ் இங்கிலீஷோட பேலன்ஸ் இருக்கிற எல்லா யூனிட்ஸோட டாஸ்க்கும் அப்கமிங் வீடியோஸ்ல கண்டிப்பா வரும். Please subscribe our channel. It gives more energy to me to upload creative, useful, educational videos. Thanks for watching. Happy learning!